Hello everyone, welcome to this question where we are going to solve this inequality and represent the solution on a number line. There are many fractions. So what should we do to get rid of the denominator? And it is at this point that I saw something. Yeah, I saw that there are x over 4 and 3x over 4. I am going to do the following. I still have my 2 over 7 here, and I do not want my 2 over 7 here. Using the same idea previously taught, I am going to minus 2 over 7 on both sides of this inequality. So I still have my positive x over 4 here. And my negative 5 over 7. I'm going to minus 2 over 7. And I saw that there is a 3x over 4. I want to minus away this 3x over 4. So if I do on one side, I will have to do on the other side. And let's see what happens. This will become 0, so I don't need to write anything. X over 4 minus 3x over 4. The denominator is the same. What does this mean? Then this means that this is, the whole thing is over 4. I can put them together. And we have x minus 3x. At the other side, this will be equal to 0 because we are minusing the same thing. And this will give me a value of negative 1. Okay, if you press your calculator, if you need help, you should get negative 1. Okay, so let's continue to simplify. X minus 3x. How many x left? Negative 2x. Still over 4. Less than or equals to negative 1. Then at this point, to get rid of the 4, I'm going to multiply by 4 on both sides. This will be negative 4. Thereafter, I'm going to, you will see the next step will be for me to divide by negative 2. And when you do that, what will happen to the sign? Yes, it changed sign because I'm dividing by a negative value. Then we will have to change sign. And therefore, final answer coming soon. Negative 2 divided by negative 2 equals to positive 1x. Bigger than or equals to negative 4 divided by negative 2 will give me positive 2. And finally, we will need to represent this on a number line. So I'm going to draw at the side here. We will have 2. Then it will be good to draw another about 4 more units. Total 5. 2, 3, 4, 1, 0. And because this is equal, you will then see Mr. Tan making sure that this is a colored circle or a dot bigger than or equals to 2. And we are done with this question. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.